Come on, kitty. You've got this. Yes! Nailed it! If only my arms were just a bit longer. Holy, I hope the people in that house are okay. Look at this cute puppy. I can't wait for it to grow up. One sheep, two sheep, three sheep. Time for bed. Dude, did you just jump for no reason? This deer is really soaking up the spotlight like it's on stage. Dude, not cool. Maybe clean up after yourself next time. Clearly, this raccoon couldn't care less about the siren. Wow, so that's how the aurora dances. Birdie bird, don't you think this mansion's a bit much for you? Clear the path, snacks delivery incoming. Come on, pick up the pace, we're falling behind. What's hiding beneath that cloud? Any guesses? What a perfect day for a stroll through the forest.